Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to hide your age on the Yubo app. Now if you want to hide your age on the Yubo app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have already installed the Yubo app on a device. So if you have not installed the Yubo app, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that you just need to open the Yubo app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of Yubo app, where you'll see various options at the bottom taskbar and the option which says swipe and near you at the very upper taskbar. Now to change your age or hide your age, click on the option of your profile icon at the very bottom right. You just need to click on the option of profile icon at the very top right from here and click on the option of settings and click on the option of account. So the thing for the Yubo is that you can't simply hide your age because it is a required part of your profile and it is visible to other. So there is no option of changing or hiding your age from the profile, but the thing which you can do is that you may simply click on the option of your birth date and you may simply change it from here. The thing which you can do is you may simply change it, but you cannot hide your age. So that's it. That's how you can hide your age on the Yubo app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.